Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and we're talking about two of the products that Apple announced at their Spring Loaded event earlier this week. The two we're talking about, of course, is the purple iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, also available in the new purple color. But the other product we're talking about is their brand new product, the AirTag. Been rumored for a very long time. Finally, it is official. The AirTag is a small button-shaped device that you can use to find your items. So you might attach it to a key ring, you might put it in your luggage, in a backpack, on your dog collar. It's really useful, how many uses for the AirTag. And then it can be located on the Find My network, which is the network we've already been using to locate lost iPhones and iPads and MacBooks and AirPods, the whole bit. So AirTag now allows you to attach them to your belongings, put them in your bags, your luggage, all those uses. And the iPhone 12, of course, the new purple color available for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. That joins the already many colors that you can get now with the iPhone 12. But first, we're going to unbox them and then we're going to give them a demonstration. Okay, well, we're going to take a look at the iPhone 12 purple, and we're also going to take a look at the AirTags as well as some of the accessories. We're just going to unbox them now. Let's start off with the iPhone 12. This is the new purple color available for the iPhone 12, which is what I have here, and also for the iPhone 12 mini. So this is an all new color. There are already, I think there were 5 other colors, but now, whoa, there we go, purple. It's actually a really nice, really vibrant color. But let's move on to the brand new product here. This is the AirTag. This was announced at the Spring Loaded event a couple of days ago, and what we have here is the 4-pack. So there's 4 of these. I suspect that's actual size of the of AirTag. And then we've also got the leather keyring, so the AirTag goes in here. And this is called the loop. So again, AirTag goes in here, and then you put this through that hole and attach it to a bag, a backpack, anything. You can put it on your dog's collar or your child's backpack, whatever you happen to wherever you want to use it. But let's open up the tag itself. This is the 4-pack that we're looking at here. And yeah, as I suspected, I'm going to need a blade to cut this. Okay, here we go. There we go, it says AirTags. There's the documentation as well. And there we go. 4 AirTags. This is the 4-pack. And let me just pull one of them out. So that's the size. I'll just clear this out of the way so you can see them a bit better. So that's them there. That's give you an idea of the size of it. So there's my Apple Watch, and that's the AirTag right there. I'll unwrap it. Yeah, I think there's a. As soon as I pull this tag, it's going to take. It's going to then take the plastic away from the battery, and that way it'll start working. So I'm going to do that right now. So oh, there we go. So it's active. Yeah, it just made a little sound. Did you hear that sound it made? Yeah. So that's the size of it. Just to give you an idea, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max here, and that's the size of it. I do have a second one here. Does have the plastic on it, but that is the AirTag. Let's open the keyring as well, so just to see how that works. So this is where you would place that AirTag. There you go. It's got this is the leather keyring. There's some plastic on here. We'll remove that, and it does. It says here designed by Apple in California. So it's maintaining all of Apple's design cues there. And the tag would go, this is the tag that I've just unwrapped, so that you would place that inside here. How would I do that? I've got to, does it just fit inside or does this come off? There we go. So I would place the tag, AirTag, in there. And hang on, this has still got a bit of plastic on it. Or is that's the actual keyring plastic? That's all right. So we place that in there and attach it, and there we go. That is the keyring with the AirTag. So that then you put that on your keys, your car keys, house keys. Could even fit on a bag if you wanted to. And then of course the tag itself, just on its own, you can slip that inside a bag, a backpack, your child's backpack. There's no sticky back surface like some of the other products. The Tile, I think, has a sticky, there's a 3M sticker on the back and you can attach it to various things, but that's not the case with the Apple AirTags. Here's the loop. Let's open this one up, and it's similar principle. You're going to see the loop here, which is how you can then attach it. So again, similar setup to the keyring. I'll take this one out. I'll unwrap this one and activate it. Ooh, hear that sound again? So there's it's got a little silver back on it there. See, look at the Apple logo, and the front is just plain white. But this is the loop. So this opens up like that. Slip in the tag in there. Attach it again. So this now you can then put that through there, and that's how you attach it. So you attach that to your luggage, to your bag, wherever you want to hang that. And here's the keyring as well. There's both of them. We've also got the other AirTags are still in the packaging here, so we can put them, place them in a bag. We can put our keys on this one, put this on our backpack, and these are then all found on the Find My network. When the AirTags are paired with your phone, you can name them, and then you'll be able to see them on a map. So if you misplace them, you can see their last known location on your Find My app. So it'll have a list of all the AirTags and devices that you have registered for Find My, and you'll be able to locate them as well within the app. And how this works, AirTags are pinged by the billions of Apple devices around the world. So if someone with an iPhone or an iPad happens to go near the AirTag, it'll ping it and then update its location. Now, it is possible also to list an item as lost. So if your backpack, for example, someone finds it with the AirTag on board, they'll be able to tap the AirTag as if they're making an Apple Pay payment and be able to see on their screen your name and your phone number if you have marked it as lost, and they'll be able to contact you there as well. But again, that's how the system works. It's like every single Apple device is like a little mini cell tower for the AirTag. So whatever's nearby, that's what updates their location. But if it's a case of you trying to find your keys in your house, for example, so you might have left it down the side of a cushion or behind the couch, if you're nearby, there is a function that will actually direct you towards them. So if you're close, you'll see that displayed on your iPhone, and it will then display a distance and then an arrow pointing towards where you should be walking, as well as a distance. And of course, as that distance gets lower and lower, and when you're then right on top of where the AirTag should be, you'll feel the iPhone vibrating in your hand, which means you are standing over the top of it. So a really easy way. Very frustrating when you can't find things like keys, especially if you're in a hurry. But now with AirTags, that is no longer an issue. The iPhone 12 has a lovely purple color. It is a really attractive new color for customers, and what I like about it is that the color extends to the edge of the phone as well. So you've got your color on the rear panel, but it also blends nicely with the frame around the outside of the screen. So a great choice if you are wanting to buy an iPhone or an iPhone 12 mini. So there are several colors that now include purple. The iPhone 12 in purple will be available from April 30, also for the iPhone 12 mini. $1,199 is the starting price of the iPhone 12 mini, 1,349 Australian dollars for the iPhone 12. The AirTags will be available from April 30, and they're going to be priced at 45 Australian dollars each, or 149 Australian dollars for a 4-pack. The accessories, the keyring and the loop, also start at 45 Australian dollars. If you want to read more, check out our website techguide.com.au. Thanks for watching.